If you've archived some emails in Gmail and need to retrieve them, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find and access your archived emails. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're in the Gmail inbox, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, scroll down and find Archived Mails. To find your archived mail, you need to tap on All Mails, and all your mails, including your archived mails, will come up. And that's all there is to it. If you want to restore an archived email, you need to locate it. You can use the search bar at the top of the screen. Just type in keywords or subjects related to the email you're looking for. If you want to restore an archived email to your inbox, so simply click on the email to open it, then click on the move to inbox icon, which looks like a folder with an arrow pointing downward. And if you're using the Gmail app, the process is quite similar. Open the app and tap on the three horizontal lines. Tap on All Mail from the menu. Browse through the emails or use the search function to find the archived email you're looking for. Tap on the email to open it and simply click on Move to Inbox. Thanks for watching.